Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making dynamite chicken and I have recently uploaded a teaser and you guys loved it so much. Here is the full recipe. So let's get started. You will need 2 chicken breast pieces and I have cut this in cube shape. मैंने इसे cube shape में काटा हुआ है like this. So now let's add our spices. So our first spice is 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, lal mirch, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, kali mirch, and our next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Here we are adding salt according to taste. You can add it according to your taste अपने जायके के हिसाब से. And this is 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, कुटी हुई मिर्चें. And after that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And now we are adding 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. And now we are done with our spices and now we are going to mix it well. इसे अच्छे से मिला लें जब तक ये एक दूसरे के साथ सही से ना मिले. Now we are done mixing. So now let's marinate it for about 30 minutes. अभी हम इसे marinate करने के लिए रखेंगे for about आधा घंटा. So meanwhile let's go to our next step. So I have taken another bowl and in the bowl I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And once you added your mayonnaise, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and mix well like this. So then we will add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and then we will add salt according to taste अपने जायके के हिसाब से. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of black pepper and mix well. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, कुटी हुई मिर्चें, and mix. अभी हम इसे मिक्स करते रहेंगे तो सारी स्पाइसेस एक साथ आके अपना कलर चेंज कर लेगी कुछ ऐसे. So now it's done, so keep in refrigerator for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's fry our chicken. So here is our chicken, but before frying we are going to add some ingredient. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and then mix well so they all gets combined well. Now our chicken is ready to be fried. Fry it on medium heat like this one by one. Here you can see the chicken is turning brown and crispy, looking yummy. And here our chicken is ready. So let's start preparing our final dish. Now we have taken our cream out and now we're going to add the chicken in the cream one by one, like that. And this is so creamy. Now combine them well. So here our chicken is also ready. And these are lettuce leaf or salad leaf. And these are dipped in cold icy water. So now we are going to make a pot with the help of lettuce or salad leaf. So now we're going to add chicken one by one in the pot. Just follow the step like this. Add the chicken in the lettuce pot. Well, these are ready. Now make more according to yourself. So here are our yummy dynamite chicken ready. It is so saucy and creamy. And yeah, I really do recommend you to try out this recipe. I hope you liked today's recipe. And if you did, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.